Everyone loves candy. That's a nice, quick and easy gift idea. You can just put a spin on it and make it your own. So I'm going to show you a couple of ideas. For our second last minute gift ideas, we are going to make a candy cane jar. What you need: a mason jar, and this size is actually larger than the smaller mason jars, but whatever size, completely up to you. This pretty like red shimmer decor, a couple of Chanel stems, some Deco mesh, and I have this really pretty ribbon. It's 1.5 inches in width and it's from Le Ribbon. And I have one piece that is 34 inches long. It reminds me of candy canes, that's why I chose it. I have a smaller piece, 5/8 inches in width, and it's about 5 inches long. This will serve as my center. Then I have candy canes, green and white, and also red and white. These candy canes were purchased at everything was purchased at Dollar Tree except for the ribbon. But if you want candy canes that are, you know, larger, you can definitely go to like Walmart or another like store like that. I think it works out for me because I have small red and then the large green. You also need the mini Bodabra, some bow wire, and scissors. Alright, let's get started. So usually when I'm placing something in the jar, I like to have something kind of firm, like I usually pick Deco mesh, to go at the bottom of my jar to help lift everything up. But I'm not technically putting anything inside the jar this time. So first thing I'm going to do is take my candy canes and I'm going to just hang them on the side of the jar all the way around. And then I'm going to take my green and place it in between. Candy canes come in so many different colors, so you can modify your color scheme. I've seen yellow, pink, blue, so just have fun with it. Now I'm going to take my really pretty shimmer decor and I'm just going to slide it in the center. This is what I mean by I'm not putting anything technically in the jar, so that's why I'm using this pretty decor. But if I were to place something in it, I would like something with a little more firmness just to help lift everything up. Next, I'm going to take my 3 pieces of Deco mesh. They're rolled at a diagonal. Let me show you. Roll just like that. And I'm just layering all 3 pieces, one on top of the other. I'm going to scrunch it. Take my 2 Chanel stems and twist around it. And I'm just going to lie them on top so that they can serve as extra decor. And I'm going to fold it in half and place it in the center. You can definitely curl these with scissors. I'm just adding in a few extra pieces of Chanel stem. Again, you can add as many candy canes as you'd like, but this is just a cute, fun, last minute idea. Only thing we're missing is an adorable bow. And you can definitely have fun with this top part. I just wanted to make it kind of like fun and want to put like a sign that says Merry Christmas or something like that. Just have fun with it and make it your own. The last thing I'm going to add is an adorable bow. So I have mini Bodabra. What I'm going to do is take my bow wire, fold it in half, and place it down. Take my ribbon, fold it in half to find the center. And I'm going to scrunch, fold it in half, bring the front and the back up, and place it down, just like that. And then I'm going to estimate about 2.5 inches, and I'm going to scrunch and twist, and then place it down. And the reason I twist it is so when I come back, the ribbon is still on the right side showing. If you have ribbon that is the same on both sides, then you don't have to twist it. But if your ribbon is like mine, is only printed on one side, then you need to twist it so that when you come back down, the right side is still showing. So again, I'm going to estimate my loop, scrunch, twist, and place it down. And use my wand. And I'm going to come back down and measuring my loop, and scrunch, and place it down. And since this is my last time I'm not coming back with another loop, I don't have to twist it. And I'll do the exact same thing this side. Scrunch and place it down. And use my wand. It looks so cute and precious. And this ribbon is like perfect for peppermint decor because it reminds me of a peppermint. Now I'm going to take the 2 open ends and place it inside the loop. Give it a nice tug And I'm going to tie it in a knot a couple of times. Just like that. So cute. And I'm actually going to cut away this bow wire because it's not enough to go all the way around my jar. So I'm going to show you how to add longer wire. And I usually like to add it when I first make the bow, but let's say if something happens and you actually don't have enough, here's a way you can fix that problem. Just take a nice long piece of bow wire. See, it's going to fit all the way around. Take it around the center and tie it in a knot a couple of times. See? Just like that. And now you have enough bow wire to go all the way around. Or even if you'd like, you can take like solid ribbon. You can take a piece of solid red or green ribbon and tie it around. I'm just going to take your smaller piece. Now you can keep it smooth like this and place it in the center, which I think is so cute. But what I usually do is just tie it in a knot. And then I just place it down in the center. I come around to the back and I normally just I either hot glue it or I tie it in the knot. This time I'm just going to tie it in a knot, just like that. And I still have my bow wire on either side. So I think move everything over slightly so that the bow is pretty high. And just tie it in a knot. And I actually decided to use one of the candy canes to help anchor my bow in place, and it worked out perfectly that way. I'm just adjusting everything. I have my bow tied. It looks so cute. And then you have your fun little mesh at the top, so it looks really cute, precious. And it's different, so it doesn't take much time. It's a great last minute gift idea, but it looks like you put a lot of time and effort into it. So it looks so cute and precious like this, especially alternating with the long and short peppermints. But I did find some longer peppermints, and these are from Walmart. So I want to show you that way as well. Here's the size difference for you guys. I'm just going to switch them out so you can see what it looks like. So this is what the larger peppermints look like. It's completely up to you. If you like the altering of the long and the short peppermints, then go for that. Or if you like for them all to be uniform in length, then you can go for the longer ones. It is completely up to you. Just have fun with it and make it your own. But this is a cute, simple, and inexpensive last minute gift idea. Perfect for anyone.